The history of addiction and recovery is a long and complex one, dating back centuries. The concept of addiction can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Greece and Rome, where substances like alcohol were used for both medicinal and recreational purposes. In the 19th century, the widespread use of opium and morphine led to the development of addiction treatment programs, such as the Keeley cure and the Gold cure. However, these treatments often involved harsh and ineffective methods, such as the use of electric shock therapy and other forms of punishment. It wasn't until the early 20th century that the modern understanding of addiction as a disease began to emerge. In 1935, Alcoholics Anonymous was founded by Bill Wilson and Dr. Bob Smith, providing a new model for addiction treatment based on spiritual principles and peer support. Over the years, research into addiction has revealed the complex neurobiological and psychological factors that contribute to substance abuse and addiction. This has led to the development of evidence-based treatments such as cognitive behavioral therapy and medication-assisted treatment. Despite these advances in treatment, addiction continues to be a major public health crisis, affecting millions of people around the world. However, there are countless examples of individuals who have successfully overcome addiction and rebuilt their lives. Recovery from addiction often involves a combination of professional treatment, peer support, and personal commitment to making positive changes. It can be a difficult and challenging process, but with the right resources and support, it is possible to achieve long-term sobriety and rebuild a fulfilling life.
Addiction and recovery have been part of human history for centuries, with early civilizations like Greece and Rome using substances such as alcohol for both medicinal and recreational purposes. However, the advent of opium and morphine use in the 19th century led to the development of various harsh and ineffective addiction treatment programs, including the infamous Keeley cure and the Gold cure. Fortunately, in the early 20th century, there was a growing recognition that addiction was a disease that required a new approach to treatment. This led to the founding of Alcoholics Anonymous in 1935, which introduced a model for addiction treatment based on spiritual principles and peer support. Subsequent research has revealed that addiction is a complex disorder with neurobiological and psychological factors that contribute to substance abuse. Today, evidence-based treatments such as cognitive behavioral therapy and medication-assisted treatment are widely available, providing better outcomes for people struggling with addiction. However, addiction continues to affect millions worldwide, making it a significant public health crisis. Despite this, many individuals have successfully overcome addiction through resources like professional treatment, peer support, and personal commitment to positive change. While recovery can be a challenging process, it is possible to achieve long-term sobriety and build a fulfilling life with the right support and resources.
La recherche sur la toxicomanie a révélé les facteurs neurobiologiques et psychologiques complexes qui contribuent à la toxicomanie et à la toxicomanie. Cela a conduit au développement de traitements fondés sur des preuves, tels que la thérapie cognitivo-comportementale et le traitement médicamenteux. Malgré ces avancées thérapeutiques, l'addiction continue d'être une crise majeure de santé publique, touchant des millions de personnes dans le monde. Cependant, il existe d'innombrables exemples d'individus qui ont réussi à surmonter leur dépendance et à reconstruire leur vie. Le rétablissement de la dépendance implique souvent une combinaison de traitements professionnels, de soutien par les pairs et d'engagement personnel à apporter des changements positifs. Cela peut être un processus difficile et stimulant, mais avec les ressources et le soutien appropriés, il est possible d'atteindre la sobriété à long terme et de reconstruire une vie épanouissante.